What's up, my stylish people? This is Shashank. Welcome back to this channel. You must have seen the title. This video is all about the Casio watches haul. I love Casio as a brand because of few reasons. They do have multiple designs and multiple series when it comes to Casio. They are well made, the durability and also long lasting battery life. Starting with the watch number 1. It is a Casio vintage series watch in this rose gold color, and this is one of my favorite. Even though the color is slightly different, it don't pull the attention towards the watch, rather it blends with your skin tone, specific to medium to fair skin tone. This one is priced at 4,000 rupees, but I think I got this at a price point of close to 3,000 rupees. As of recording this video, it is priced on Amazon at 3,595, but if you apply card discounts, you can get that close to 3,000 rupees. I feel that it's really worth. The color of the bracelet is coordinated with the dial color, so altogether it goes as one single color, and it gives a perception of the integrated bracelet kind of a watch, even though it's not. And I really like the quality of the stainless steel chain here. The stainless steel chain looks really premium for the price point. The dial is not as small as the normal Casio vintage options. The dial is big enough for the wrist, and also when it comes to the LCD, it is even more crisp than the normal basic Casio vintage option. And also a minor point to note here is that the LCD light is not as strong as it should be. In case if you are the one who love Casio vintage series option but don't want to go for the gold color, which is too bold, and also the grey color, which is a standard option, this is a nice middle ground at a price point of 3,000 rupees. Moving on to the watch number 2, it's a Casio G-Shock. Of course, it's a super popular series from Casio, and here I got this in a green color with a black color dial, and it's one of my favorite in terms of the color combination, because I love olive green color, and when it is mixed with the black color, altogether it's a great combination to have in your watch collection. The band for this watch, it's made of resin. Honestly, I'm not a big fan when it comes to the Casio G-Shock options because they are too bulky for my wrist. My wrist is somewhere between skinny to slim, and this watch, even though it's a Casio G-Shock series lineup, the dial size here is 43.2 millimeters. It's not small by any means, but if you consider Casio G-Shock, it's actually the smallest of them. And I really like the shape of this dial. Even though it's mentioned as oval, it is somewhere between the oval and rectangular shape. I really like the metal casing in the black color for this watch. It's not too shiny, it's in this matte finish. That's what exactly I love in this watch, along with the camera print inside the bezel. And also, one of the best feature for this watch is the water resistance. At the time of recording this video, I'm in Maldives. I bought this watch for my trip because of its 200 meters water resistance. This watch is super pricey at 14,000 rupees. I think I got this for a price point of 12,000 rupees. But in case if you like the design and color combination, there is an exactly similar watch at 5,500 rupees price point from the Casio G-Shock as well. The only difference would be the water resistance as well as the metal casing for this watch. It comes with a plastic casing or somewhat not attractive casing, but except for that, everything stays the same. In case if you don't want to pay that extra premium of 6,000 to 7,000 rupees for these two features, which don't make sense for majority of the people, I think you can get that 5,000 or 6,000 rupees Casio G-Shock option. I will make sure that both of the links are provided in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Moving on to the watch number 3, and for a price point of close to 2,000 rupees. In order to have a versatile watch collection, you need to have at least one dressy watch. And I feel that Casio has a nice balance between the price points as well as the design they offer. And here you go with the Casio Analog Silver Dial Men's Watch, and the model number is A1618. What exactly I love in this watch? The dial color for this watch is a silver color, and of course the shape here is rounded, and the dial glass is made of mineral glass. The band here for this watch, it's a brown leather band, and it's not exactly a lighter version or a tan brown, it's a darker shade, almost like a chocolate brown. This color of the band in combination with the silver casing, it looks very premium. Inside of the dial, it is having the white color. So altogether, it's a classy, elegant, sophisticated color combination to have, albeit with one minor disqualifier of having the rose gold or gold color markings for the seconds, minutes and hours hands along with the time markings. I feel that they differentiated the color for the visibility perspective. They don't want that to be color coordinated because it will be lost with the silver casing. I think that's why they have gone with the gold color, but I feel that it's a minor disqualifier for this one. And when it comes to the size of the dial, it's a 40 mm. It's a nice balance when it comes to the dress watches. 36 to 39 mm is the right balance. I wish It's 39mm or 38mm. Moving on to the watch number 4 and the last option but not the least option. In fact, it's the super popular option and also affordable option. You must have seen this watch multiple number of times on my channel. It's a Casio Vintage Series A158WA. It starts at a crazy affordable price point of 1295 rupees, and on Amazon most of the times you can get this at a price point of close to 1000 rupees. Just like the previous options, the glass is made of the mineral glass and the dial shape here is a rectangular, and when it comes to the dial color, it's a gray color, and band color is the silver color here, and the band material is stainless steel. For this watch, I really love the contrast of the silver color dial with the black color bezels inside the dial. It altogether gives a retro vibe. Of course, it's a retro watch to have in your collection, but here the dial sizing is super small. In case if you're not the one who prefer smaller dial watches, this may not be the one for you. That's it from me. See you in my next one.